So as I said, I have this workshop coming up with the League of Moveable Type, how to pick and pair fonts. And the idea here, there are no bad fonts. There's just ways to explore and expand ideas with stronger and stronger vision. So here we're trying to push the energy of what's emotionally warm here even harder. So the idea of informality and playfulness and doodles, these were kind of the ideas I had. So now in this 30-minute cycle, I'm sprinting through to try to push the idea even harder in this last round of a warmer composition, which we started with rubato with only one weight and one size. And then as we added more levels of complexity, we're trying to draw out more and more the emotional resonance of how formal presentation can create emotional resonance, and typographic pairings can work together to achieve that with composition and color as well. And this was a lot of fun to work with. I mean, how often do you get to use Comic Sans in a way that looks really interesting and fun? So let's see what I get done in this 30-minute sprint.